Hey everyone, it's Wednesday the 16th, and this week we don't really have a theme. As you can see, his person in background, he is my boyfriend, and he's been teasing me unnecessarily. He just said constantly. He always does, but yep. At the moment he's trying to have a staring contest with my cat and win, and it hasn't been working. It really hasn't. He's starting to poke it in the eye. But anyways, so this week we don't really have themes. Just do whatever the hell you want, as Kate stated yesterday. Truthfully, what I've been working on that I have to talk about is a lot of Hamlet reading in class, and we have a 7-page paper for a play that we have not even finished reading yet. So that's been fun. I've been trying to read it. I've also been working on a role-playing site with some of my friends that kind of started off a story that I was working on, and then some of my friends wanted to work on it too. So because I've been on role-playing forums using ProBoards before, I know how to work it, so we had it started up before, and then all of us got in this really big fight, so we killed off one of the people, and then after a while, we just kind of stopped going on it, and I tried to get people to come back on, and they were all like, oh, we'll come back on, and they'd post like one time, so I deleted it, and he's being a jerk again, as always. And as to Thursdays, I really don't know anything that we can do. I just asked him and he started dancing, but I don't think that's, yeah, seeing he's dancing again since I mentioned it. But, I don't know. Nice. Yeah. Focusing again. He's faking, don't worry. I didn't hear a snap. Yeah, I don't know what we could do for Thursdays. Alright, well, I don't really have much left to say. I guess I will see you, Charlotte, on Friday.